If you have a negative slope towards the foundation of your house, like here, and you want to do something like here, follow me and I will show you all the steps. First, and I've already done it, remove all the weeds and all the vegetation around the foundation. You can do it manually, you can use chemicals, whatever you do, remove as much as you can, as well as the soil. I try to remove all the soil around this foundation. Use the blower and remove all the dust. Now, if you want to do the slope right, you have to have at least a quarter of an inch per each foot of the slope. I'll be using cold asphalt and the slope will be about 20 inches. Definitely about an inch of raise towards the foundation. But I'm definitely, because I have different bumps here, the raise close to the foundation will be more than 1 inch, so about 2-3 inches. And then it will go down towards this piece of 1x3. This is just to limit the spread of the asphalt. If you don't want to use it, fine, you just need to make it straight. For me, it's easier to put the piece of 1x3. I just screwed it very lightly in 2 places, which I'm gonna patch later on, and then I'm just gonna spread the asphalt. Prior to spreading the asphalt, I'm gonna be applying secret sauce. This is the primer, this is the oil spot primer, but it works really well on the small patches. I'm gonna spread this primer and I'm gonna wait until it dries, until the tacky state, and then I'm gonna put a layer of asphalt on top of it. Do not forget to spread it around the foundation as well. The key for this project is the preparation and making sure that all the asphalt that you want to put here sticks really, really well. If you want to get extremely precise with this work, you can get the chalk line and just mark the line where it's needed. While this asphalt, and I'm using cold asphalt, is spreading pretty well, try to drop it close to the foundation and then spread it gradually towards the edge. This will help to align it much better than going from the edge towards the foundation. And remember here, more is better. So the more you put towards the foundation, the better you'll make a better slope. As long as it's all aligned and it's all straight, you will be happy. Also, do not rush with the cold asphalt. It is not gonna dry very fast, so you have enough time to align it and do right measurements. Cold asphalt is not drying very fast, so you have enough time to level it up, take your time, do it right before you start compressing. Now I have to say that my level is a little bit above the edge that I wanted to have, but again, the more is better. As long as it goes from the house, I'm happy. Once you're happy with the slope, stop, get the level. It's sloping pretty much everywhere quite evenly, and it's way more than 1/4 inch per feet. I would say it's like 3 inches slope here. Now get your handy dandy thumper and start compressing. I usually like compressing starting from the edge towards the foundation and then back. Do the first time lightly. Also, watch the build up at the bottom of the thumper. If it starts building up, remove it. it's time to remove edging. Let's see how it looks. Honestly, looks really, really nice to me. There you go, but we're not done yet. This edge hasn't been compressed. So get your sled hammer and compress the edge. Also, you can compress hard to reach areas like the corners or something close to the edges. Do not skip this part, and also be very diligent. Go along the entire edge. That's it, and that's how you can create the slope from the house towards your driveway in these easy steps. Now, if you want to see how you can protect this new sloped edge even more, watch my next videos. For now, thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!